my channel. I hope you're having a fabulous day as usual. Today's video is my third annual Sephora stocking stuffer giveaway. You guys, around this time of year, I always love to give back, and I like to do something called a Sephora stocking stuffers giveaway. And what that means is I go to Sephora, I spend my own money. This year I spent about $130, and I pick a couple good stocking stuffers that one lucky winner is going to win for themselves, or if you win and you choose to give them out to people in your life, that is your prerogative as well. But I love to give back just to show my appreciation to you guys for taking the time to watch my videos, to comment, to like the videos, just to give me feedback. I appreciate it so much because I wouldn't be able to do this YouTube journey if it wasn't for you guys watching my videos. So without further ado, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button. And if you want to see what goodies I picked up for one lucky winner, then keep watching. Okay guys, I'm so excited to dig in. So it is November, so I think this giveaway is going to last around 2 weeks, so then that way you guys will have plenty of time. If you do want to give some of these items to people in your life, you'll have plenty of time before Christmas. So that's why a lot of times I like to do it in November or early December. So today is November 16th, so I think I'm going to have the giveaway go until about December 1st, and then I will mail it out, and it'll be like the first week of December that you get it. So I'm really excited, so let me dig in and tell you guys what one lucky winner is going to receive. The first item retails for $80, and it is by Tarte, and it is the lip gloss lip ornament set. This you're going to get 4 different shades. You are going to get Cuddle, Milk and Cookies, Snowflake, and Twinkle. These are really, really glossy. I went to the store and they had testers out there and they look really beautiful, and I just thought this would be a really nice set to gift yourself or gift to someone else in your life. So this was the first item, and like I said, this was $28, but it is an $80 retail value. Okay, the next item I picked up I'm really excited about. I have to say I love Fenty Beauty, and I actually gave away a Fenty Beauty item last year in my stocking stuffer giveaway, and this year they have a new kit. It's Fenty Beauty. They have 2 items. They have the Bomb Baby 2, and I gave away Bomb Baby 1 last year. You're going to get a kilowatt foil freestyle highlighter, and then you're going to get a gloss bomb. I love the gloss bombs. I actually have the gloss bomb on my lips today. This is the one where it's white and it has some shimmer in it. I love them. They smell good. They don't feel too sticky, so you're going to get that. And then you're also going to get a highlighter. Obviously, I would open this, but I don't want to swatch it for you guys because it is going to be brand new for one of you. So I'm really, really super excited about this. And I have the receipt just so I can kind of tell you how much each item was. And this retails for $24. Digging right in, I saw this little item and I thought it was really, really cute. It's Sephora Favorites Festive Face, and it's a mini cheek trio. First off, how cute is this little ornament? But I loved the items that were included in here. So you are going to get a bronzer, a blush, and a liquid highlighter, and these are some good ones, you guys. You're going to get the Hula bronzer. You're going to get the NARS. This is the NARS Orgasm blush, which is one of the best blushes. And then you're also going to get a little tiny Marc Jacobs liquid highlighter. This one is so good. But this right here, it was $15. So how cute is that? It's like a little Christmas tree. But these are all really good products, and when I saw this, I was really excited about it. Okay, the next item I want to mention is by Decay. This is the All-Nighter Setting Spray. If you guys have been watching me for a long time, you know that this is my all-time favorite setting spray. It does a fabulous job of setting my makeup to make sure that it doesn't move all day. And I saw this little guy. It's a little ornament. $15. You can put it on your tree. It's so cute. But this is also a good way to try it out, just in the event you don't want to pay like $30+ for a full size. You can test this out, and I guarantee you're gonna love it. 2 more items. This next item, you guys, when I saw this, I was like, this is a must, and it is a candle. Nest candles are some of the best, and if you haven't smelled this, you are missing out. This is Christmas in a candle right here. This is Birchwood Pine. It smells so good, but once again, it's a cute little ornament, and if you don't want to keep it for yourself, you can give it to someone as a little stocking stuffer, but this just smells so good. These last so long. So these candles are fabulous, but if you were to buy a full-size candle, you're going to spend like $50-60. They're really expensive, so getting this little tiny one is a good way to test it out. I paid $16 for it. I have one more little stocking stuffer that I want to mention, and this is the one I think I was most excited about. You guys know I love Sol de Janeiro. Their Boom Boom Cream. I used to think it was Bum Bum Cream, but it's Boom Boom Cream. Smells so good. And they had this little kit. It's called the Carnival Getaway. This is perfect if you're going on travel anywhere. So here's what you're gonna get. You're gonna get the Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. I have that, love it. You're gonna get the Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. This smells so good and it's supposed to firm up the boom boom. And then you're also gonna get the Brazilian Crush Body Fragrance Mist in a little travel size. This is so cute. And you get a little bag, which, you know what, let me just open it to kind of show you. I'm not going to spray any of it, but I just want to give you an idea of how adorable these are. So here is the little spray, so cute. Here is the little lotion. And then you're gonna get this shower gel. You guys, how adorable is that? But you get all this, and then I paid, it was $25 for this little kit, but this actually would be perfect. I'm actually going on a cruise in April. One of my really good friends is getting married, and something like this would be perfect. Absolutely perfect. But I saw this and I immediately knew I wanted to put it in a giveaway. Hey guys, so that's everything. Just a quick recap. One winner is going to get the Tarte lip gloss set. You're going to get this little Carnival Boom Boom Getaway set. You're going to get the Nest candle. You're going to get the all-nighter spray, this little Sephora Favorites Festive face, and then this Fenty Beauty Bum Baby 2. So like I said, I spent $130. I wanted to do something really nice for you guys. You can keep it for yourself, or you can choose to give it to someone else. Look guys, I know that makeup can be really expensive, so I like to do giveaways on my channel. I like to give back as much as I can, so I wanted to do something nice for you guys around the holidays, and I hope you enjoy whoever gets it. So I will put all the rules of the giveaway down below. I'm actually going to make it really easy for you guys. So obviously you do have to live in the United States. Unfortunately, I have had problems. I had a situation where I gave away one of my Burberry makeup bags, and it was to India, and the package ended up getting lost. So not only was I out the Burberry makeup bag, but the winner didn't receive it either. And so because of that, I am not shipping internationally anymore. So I'm so sorry about that for those of you that do live internationally, but I just don't want to take the chance of it getting lost. And once it leaves the United States, I have no way of tracking it or anything like that. So anyway, only 3 things. You have to be subscribed to my channel, you have to follow me on Instagram, and then follow me on the Like to Know It app. And the reason I'm doing it that way is I want to do this for people who have been following me, people who have been supporting me, for my subscribers, my followers, the people that want to be here for me. So that's why I always say I want you guys to be subscribed or following me on those platforms. So like I said, it's pretty easy. The Like to Know It app is a good way. If you ever want to shop my posts from Instagram, I link everything. Instagram, I just usually post like outfit pics, and I also update you guys on daily things going on in my life. I let you know on there if I post a new video. And then of course YouTube, make sure you subscribe and make sure you ring the bell, you guys, because I think a lot of people, some of you have messaged me saying your videos aren't showing up in my feed, so make sure to hit the bell so you will get notified when I do post. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm so excited to gift one lucky winner all of these items. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful holiday season, and I will see you in my next video.